Hey everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today I'm going to be talking to you regarding our little system here we call the AK-47 from us, quantlabs.net, management and open positions. I've looked at various trading systems, and I will need to tell you and will tell you that the hardest part of any system, automated trading, when it goes into a trading mode with execution, management of open positions is one of the hardest things of the whole process. To be able to do reconciliation and track it, it's the most difficult process. Forget the math, forget the algos. This is the toughest. Anyways, I'm going to show you a very basic, simple one that we have. Everything's all automated here. So let's get to it. So what we first do on all our positions is we have our upper and lower bound, but because we are tracking a short and a long in the trading pair, once it comes off of the watch list and goes on to or into a position, meaning a position is put on, we put a position on in the market, both on the short and the long. What we start to track the stop loss. Now there's a stop loss percentage that we track that's automatically calculated by the system. We also have our percentages that we set. And then we have soft targets for both the low and the long and the short. That's SH short, long, LO long. Here's our stocks that we're watching. So we're short, in this case is Coke. The long would be Pepsi. And here's our short price and our long price, okay? So not only that, we also set boundaries of an upper and lower on the stop loss for both the short and the long, okay? And then we also have soft targets as well. So any of these are breached, we will pursue some kind of action. Usually, obviously, an exit. Maybe we might throw in some extra logic that will say, you know what? Yeah, you will hit your upper stop loss, but add on more positions as if the position shows that it will continue to run, so that we can optimize the profitability that comes with this trade. And the key to behind that all is you need to make sure that you have a broker with very, very low transaction fees. Otherwise, you're going to get killed, and most likely you'll lose on that trade. So a good broker for this is maybe Interactive Brokers, very low fees, and yeah, that might keep you in the black, okay? In the black, the profit, basically what I'm trying to say. So we have all these different targets that we're tracking, as you can see, and then of course we have charts. Now the first chart here is the price of Coke with the stop loss and the soft targets. So we set them right here. Obviously you get the detail here in these reports here, okay? So we have the price of Coke and Pepsi, both with a stop loss, and you can see that visually, okay? This is again for a preview only. We're gonna improve this display and, among other things, try to improve this. But again, this is all automated, all automatically generated. This will be run pretty well every day, but at our choosing we can run this intraday or whatever we decide. But pretty cool little charts and report that can help track your open positions. And obviously we close it out, and then from there is a next set of steps of self-adaptation, meaning how's our portfolio doing, how is our trading doing overall over the last, say, quarter. Do we have the system allocate its own total to the account? So will it add to that trading account, or will it take away from the trading account? Meaning that's what the system will have access to, and that is of course based upon the portfolio over time as these positions are put on and put off or entered and exit. So that will be part of the system, and you'll be able to track the positions as well, because I will have spreadsheets when positions are put on. But for now, we have this report. So you will be able to track in a spreadsheet what we're doing with the system on those positions, and that alone is value. So just one more reason why this price on this analytics service may go up over time. But again, we got to get that out there and see how it does before we can start doing things like that. But that will be tracked, and we may or may not give people access to that. It just depends. So far, we're getting a lot of, dare I say, haters that have been just ragging on about this. But overall, everybody's been pretty cool. But just people like the haters is just maybe don't get what we're doing, or maybe just don't get trading. I don't know, whatever. We move on and we continue what we're doing. Okay, talk to you later.